everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, very quick video this, just to let you know there's no video up tonight. I'm going to put the video up tomorrow. It's because Tina's not feeling well today. She's woken up with a migraine and she's feeling sick and that, so I thought I'd delay it and just put it on for tomorrow. So I thought I'd just give you a quick little video now just to let you know, in case any of you is wondering why there's no video tonight. That's the reason why. Obviously you got this, but and plus I haven't done no videoing yet, and it's pretty much got 3 o'clock-ish now. So by the time I've done the video and got it on, it'll be late anyway. So yeah, hope you understand, everyone. There will be a video tomorrow at some point, so keep your eye open. I'll be advertising it anyway for people that haven't got any YouTube accounts and that. So anyway, we'll all see you tomorrow. You all take care. Ta-da for now.